Okay, අපේ ඡන්දේ කවදාවත් okay එක්කම එක එක්කෙනෙක්ට තමයි යන්නේ. So අපි ඒකත් එක්ක අපි අද ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගමු. Okay, as our evening classes එංගව නයි කියලා. හැමදාම කියනවා වගේ අදත් එක්ක අපි කතා කරලා
අවසාන වතාවට හැමදාම කියන එක කිය නවත්තන්නම්.
හැමෝම අපි කියමු දෙකද?
හැමෝම දන්න ඒ කතාව.
වරන් වරන් වානා.
අනං
වානා.
වානා.
වෙන්දකරු වානා ක්ලාස් වානා ඉඳකි. මහි වානා කවුද ඕනා?
කවුද ඕනේ?
රෝනා.
තමයි.
අපි මේ ක්ලාස් okay, so with that, we are starting off with our classroom. Welcome, all of y'all, good people, all of y'all. Okay, I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, yet we are starting off with our last chapter. Almost we were able to go through a lot. Okay, you might be finding it off. Okay, last moment karna classes almost. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I did almost all 7 days. I did classes for you guys. Okay, that's what normally people who are going on with the works and everything, you'll see it. Okay, those are dedicated people sit there that you are last moment 7 days in class. So next week planning to do a game of paper class series. So those who are attending our classes throughout, you'll be going through in there. Yes, we have also come towards the end of our web development chapter. Web development PHP and today we are finishing the agent technology. So as I said, as I promised, we are finishing the syllabus by this month for physical class. Online class students, we would do IoT එකට පොඩි session එකක්. අපි ඒක දවස් දෙකක් වගේ කරගෙන තටස් කාලේ ඉවර කරලා දෙන්නම්. Okay, and then I'll be planning to do complete paper classes in all the centers. Okay, so from next month onwards, nothing from next class onward, physical class students full time we'll be doing papers. Okay, from morning 5 till 4 o'clock when I come in Kandy, in Colombo, Dehiwala, all centers will be going through papers. Eduzone Lamaita morning 8 taken and 10 when I come, they will get a paper. Okay, a small with a break. After 10 to 12, 1 o'clock when I come, 3 when I come, I'll do a stretch. 3 when I come, get a stretch. Okay, they will be doing papers in the Eduzone. Okay, so Eduzone students, you will have time from morning 8 till 3 o'clock. Team Comrade as usual 8 to 2. Okay, and Kandy 8 to 4, nothing 8 to 3 times with the time interval break done. Other than that, okay, we are planning to do structure papers, MCQ papers, and essays, and completely. Okay, you are plan. Hopefully, I will be starting from this week itself. Yeah, this week or next week, okay, so physical class, there won't be any theory. I think today is the last theory session. Okay, we are completing. So physical class, we will do the past papers in this week. So past papers, we can finish it off in there. Okay, how about others? Those who all have been from throughout of next classes, when a classes, one thing that I wanted to say it is, okay, make sure you have completed almost around 95% of your syllabus. You should be ready to do a full paper now itself. Then hurry papers come and do our papers and see. Okay, you will get an overall idea. Okay, that it's defining something hard. There is a lot to learn. So I will look around the last moment. Okay, start studying. Result say Aparada, I could have studied Kirena. So next thing is our exam centers. Exam, we are closing the registrations. Okay, everyone, it's completely open examination. Anyone can come and join our exams. Agent technology comes under the last chapter. Internet and business, a very important lesson. Gives you 15 marks. Okay, AK mama IoT kara, Arduino sukam kara. Okay, practicals kara. Okay, and then ICT business, we finish it off. Today we are doing agent technology. Agent technology is where that agent diagram, okay, AI, fuzzy logics, and everything. Only we are going to talk about in today's class. Okay, anything else before we start off? Any questions you all do have? So the poster we do doing some circuits. Sorry, those are Arduinos, Arduino practicals and everything. Okay, Arduino practicals. Arduino is also an important section. This time it will be definitely tested. Past papers, complete past papers, physical class allanna. Kandy, Eduzone, and Team Comrade. Make sure you all do these past papers and come. Online students lada man taam patangattena. Online physical groups so itre. So when will you stop classes? I'll end our classes in October 24th. 24th, I'll finish it off. October, my full class. I won't do it in classes in November. Okay, I'll do some online free seminars and stuff. Okay, you are getting a whole month to do revision and then papers with me. Next month whole I'm doing papers only. We will get a month study for the exam. Yeah, you will get the entire month, December, November full hour. November 25th, so the IT exam will be in December. IT exam antimirthine. So IT exam, don't worry. First econ IT how things are going on. Okay, don't waste time. Schedule it properly. Okay, manage your time in there. Put that motivate in there because it's your result. Okay, you're not doing it for someone else. It's good for your pathways. Okay, fail not also still no problem, but then you had to work harder more. Okay, it's like you either work now and enjoy later, or else don't work now, regret later. So two options are there. Okay, put the kingdom on you take on now. Any questions to ask before that? Ingratitude. Trying best but still failing. Keep failing, ma. Okay, failing comes only when you give up. So trying is not a failure. It's a pathway to success. So keep trying. Don't give up. That's it. So will our next paper will be exam difficult. We are trying to make it difficult, but we'll see. Amaru karanada plan karanne. Okay. So how can we join the physical class revision? Physical class revision on groups okay, paper classes. Phase 2 does IoT content. Phase 2 contains everything. Full paper. Make sure you do both papers. Do our paper also, and if it's possible, do the eMora paper also. Both of them are really good. eMora gives specifically for what exam questions will be based on. Our paper will explore a lot of new type of questions that you all have never done. So so explore both, do those exams, and that's it. I think there is no other teachers who doesn't do other teachers. Man, the exam பச்சை exam வைப்பாங்க அதெல்லாம் வேலைப்பா okay அந்த exams எல்லாம் செய்யாதீங்க okay so even that is in there. So we are bringing off with the last chapter for today. That is our last of chapters. Okay, the last page. I think it's a very small section. Okay, and that comes to the end of our classroom also. uh okay, put that in there. It's a very 2 to 3 pages pa. Okay, from past papers இவரெல்லாம் தான் புதாதமா. அப்ப இந்த தியரி கிளாஸ்ல வந்து பாஸ் பேப்பர் செய்ய தேவையில்ல. We'll do for the revision itself. യാണ് അത് ഇവർക്കുള്ളതാവണേ ഞാൻ ബോർഡോട് അതാക്കി ഇന്റെ ഒന്നേ അവലാ മതിയില്ല. ഇന്ത്യക്ക് முடிச்சுட்டுருங்க தந்தட போட்டு. கரலதான் நோக்கு. செஞ்சு போட்டுருங்க. Okay. ஐயோ ஏன்னா இந்த past papers, yeah, past papers finish இவர்களுக்குள்ளதான் முக்கும் அது. Anybody who doesn't have the tute, you can purchase this tute. Okay, api class free dunna. You can purchase the tute from the store. Web store ki ganna pulunga api store ki if you wanted, you can get the tutes also. We don't share the PDF ma. Right. Let's begin. So this chapter, last of chapters, okay, IoT, ICT business, okay, and AI, Natang, agent technologies are 3 basic lessons in there. So if you take it on from your chapter series, chapter number 11, 12 and 13, 11, 10 ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 11, 12 and 13 wage. Yeah, 11 and 12 wage, you all have three conditions to go through. One is ICT with business. Mege tamai you will learn on e-business strategies, e-commerce, okay, e-business, e-commerce, right? And then business type, business to business, business to consumers, consumer to consumers. All those things you will be covering up in this chapter. Okay, ICT and business lesson. We did the chapter. We also did the past papers. Completely done. Put that other task. Okay. Then we also went across with a lesson called as Arduino. Okay, how many of y'all we did Arduino programming? Okay, when I did in the okay, okay. So api Arduino kara. Okay, me Arduino section ne kiya thamai we learned about sensors. We learned about the microcontrollers, sensors and microcontrollers, microcontrollers. Okuma pikinagatte make. Then we are moving on to the last part, that is intelligence, or else agent technology scale. Okay, may chapter it's about how software agents scale. Okay, we're going to talk about India. Today we are going to talk about AI, okay, and software agents. Okay, what are these agents and everything you will be talking in there. Now mail as an Samara Tamar teachers actually they don't do it at all. Okay, but this is an important section because making you can get in structure question of Ganda below part 2 get questions thing. Part 2 there is a 15 marks question. Okay, there is a 15 marks question in part 2. Structure there will be 10 marks. So this is giving you a total of 25 marks from your paper. A kind of an important lesson. Okay, but then it's an important lesson. Remember, every year this is increasing. So this time also Arduino Gudak. So I thought of physical class as well. Next week I get practical. I'll bring some more sensors in there. Practicals take a kai so because once you do practicals, you will have an idea what they actually want. Now, if they say about a temperature sensor, it's you can see it. No, you can touch and see it in the. I'll do more practicals in there, so we'll keep a note on that also, right? So these are the sections we have done. So we have already completed Arduinos and ICT business. Today we are starting off with software agents. Okay, kind notice for all the other students also. Okay, chapters tam ivarakari that tankarla nattak. Okay, make sure you all start at least to buy recordings or else do whatever and try to finish it as soon as possible. Do not drag until last because you will be not able to do a full paper. Full paper you will have an idea how to do it in terms. Okay, get yourself ready. Very important. Okay, I'm not just telling it you all just to finish it off in the atal ganda puluang. But end of the day, those atal is there, but then you will regret it. Okay, regret to now, they could have studied here. So keep a note in there. Recordings, recordings are and I think in our website we have the complete. Okay, we have the complete recording package there also. Ayad, you can collect the tute from Team Comrade. I didn't send it. You can collect it from Team Comrade, or else you have to pay 300. I can send it to you. How do you prefer? So that comes to the end. Also, Team Comrade students, we don't have class tomorrow. Okay, session because of special holiday kela. Okay, we don't have classes tomorrow, right? Right. Okay, let's begin in there. Now, what do you mean by the term intelligent? Now, when I talk about intelligent, I remember of a couple of you guys' name. Okay, of Ala. Okay, we have Hana is there. Okay, we do have Kaudin, Zainab is there. So when I talk about this word intelligent, I remember you guys. Okay, right. Intelligent කියපුවම ඔයගොල්ලන්ව තමයි මම කියන්නේ. So intelligence is basically a knowledge that you process. That's what basically intelligence is all about. There are two types of intelligence. We have IQ and EQ කියලා තියෙනවා. IQ is you are able to learn, understand and apply your skills. Now for an example, driving is a skill and you have couple of knowledge when to change your gears, when to increase the acceleration, when to apply brakes, okay, what happens when you have an accident. So those things are we call it as IQ. Okay, we call it as intelligent quotient. So IQ avilla, you have studied or else acquired some knowledge and that you apply in an instant. You apply that knowledge on a given instant. Okay, maybe driving a vehicle, doing your exams, maybe okay, maybe building a house. Okay, or else uh, hustling something in there. Maybe you're doing some sports. Those are IQ. Simple as it is. But then there is something called EQ. Some people are really good in IQ, but they are weak in EQ. So some people are there, they don't know how to control emotions. You know the classic where you get broken so quickly. Other you tends to listen to some people. Okay, yeah, it's hard for you to come out from it because you are weak in EQ. EQ කියලා emotion intelligence එක ඇවිල්ලා ගොඩක් weak. Emotion side එක ඇවිල්ලා kids weak. We can quickly manipulate people in there. Now 2K kids වල එක එක kids ඉන්නවනේ. ඔයගලන්ගේ batch ඔයගලන්ගේ era of people is where பேசிய ஏமாத்தேலும். அதுதான் basic idea. நான் இப்ப நான் சஹ்லா சொல்லல, நான் basically சொல்றேன். ஆக்களை பேசி ஏமாத்தேலும் சொல்றேன். So that's how we call it as okay EQ කියලා. So that's in your ඔයගලන්ගේ era එක ඇවිල්ලා you all are set of people, okay, your generation of people where you all will get deceived by words, okay, or a motivation talks say yokkomadala, okay, minadu kenda where a motivation you can do it, don't put yourself down. அவெல்லாம் வந்து அந்த மோட்டிவேஷன் கோட்ஸும் அந்த கோட்டுகளாலே வாழ்ற கேங் தான் நம்மளோட கேங். ஸோ ஒகலன்டவில்ல ஒகலங் emotions and feelings, what you do it is it can be manipulated by someone. That's something in there. Okay, but still you become demotivated in it. That's you all being lazy. Okay, that's something in there. And we have the basic idea. So emotion intelligence is learn to control your emotions, because okay, if someone try to manipulate through your emotions, you will never you will be never be able to you will never be able to talk for yourself. Okay, because if some people are introvert extrovert, you want to talk on something, you want to talk for yourself, but you are emotionally weak. If someone scolded me, what if they hit me, I'm scared in there. But some are really forward, they take up the challenge and they talk for themselves. Okay, speak when it's needed. Okay, speak when the time comes in there, especially for you guys. Okay, all you guys, I'm telling it in there, especially for girls and boys, everyone. Okay, you guys have to talk when it's needed. Okay, if there is a mistake in yours, you talk. Even if there is no mistake, you talk for yourself, because nobody else is going to talk for you. Okay, okay, yeah, if it's a mistake also you talk for yourself. Even if it's not your mistake, you talk for yourself, because no one will come and talk for you. Okay, you stand for your rights. That's what it's basically simple in there. So நான் இப்போ தான் உங்களோட பேட்ச் வந்து டக்குன்னு ஏமாத்திரியல், பேசி ஏமாத்திரியல் அன்னது மாதிரி. ஓகே, அதே தான் சொன்னேன். ஓகே, இப்படிதான் எங்கிட்ட சஹ்லா, ஐயோ சஹ்லா மை காட், பேசி எங்கிட்ட சஹ்லா எல்லாரும் ஏமாத்திட்டாங்களே. சஹ்லா ஓகே ரைட், அது வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், அது டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வேற. ஓகே, so we'll talk about that. So that's what emotion and intelligence is all about. Computers or machineries, okay, can track or else can deal with IQ but not with EQ. Okay, EQ wide in Indian robo, what happened? Even the robo was able to fall in relationship. Adhe Marthan. Okay, the robo is basically an IQ, but Dr. Vashigaran, okay, gave him intelligence in there, and ultimately his girlfriend was becoming a threat. Then the girlfriend threat. So be careful, okay, of what you give emotions to. Okay, so EQ and IQ are what basically all about. So we are going to learn in this chapter Okay, how can you put IQ, okay, intelligence to a software and to make okay things happen? Okay, how can we give the intelligence, or else how can you give computers an intelligence to think on their own and solve solutions? Simple example like Chat GPT. Okay, we are now relying on Chat GPT for everything. Okay, it's like a moment where when you're in grade 9, 10, 11, you were able to do addition, multiplication, division for like 10 or 15 numbers. Now, even to add 5 plus 5, you go and take the calculator. Harini. Okay. Calculator again 5 into 2. 10. Chari. More doubt. You need that calculator to give the answer. I got intelligence all the way thinking. Okay. So, okay, now we guys are relying on ChatGPT even to send an email, even to do whatever the works you wanted in there. We started not using our brain, okay, because we started doing a lot of easy works in there. Shortcuts is creativity is dead. The basic idea. Nowadays, kids have zero creativity. Okay, creativity like thinking on a different angle or perspective, not in there. Okay, what the word they put? I'm shy. Oh my god, I'm shy. Okay, if you're shy, okay, you will never be able to come up. Okay, shy எல்லாம் வந்து அதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒன்று செய்யல வச்சு. Okay, so come out of that. So we're going to talk about how, okay, what will happen for a computer, what will happen for a software if you can provide intelligence, what are the characteristics you will come across, okay, how they will react, okay, what are the outcomes you will be getting throughout in there, what are the benefits of those things, what are the disadvantages of those things only will be going through. When a software is given, okay, so I don't have this page in my book. I will change and give it to you. Now, you know, right? When you get a book, first, what is the first rule? Check all the pages. So when a software is given with this intelligence to make decisions on its own, it becomes as an artificial intelligence. AI. Okay, the intelligence that you know what to apply or else where to apply brakes, you know where to change the gear, you know that if you touch this fire it will get burned. So when you have that intelligence, okay, when you have that intelligence in there, and if that intelligence is put to a software now, it becomes an AI. That is an AI example. We can say it as Chat GPT in general. Sounds okay, interesting, nice. We'll also talk about how okay, how ChatGPT works and everything. We'll talk about in there, right? Okay, nice. Intelligence type. Okay, logical, IQ, problem solving, artistic, image based, spatial thinking. Okay, we call it as neural engine and neuralistic. This is natural language. Okay, artificial intelligence, AI, refers to stimulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Okay, what are the programming language in there, Mariam? Just check the page number, it's 39. It's not the first page, no? Okay, right. AI languages, we have Lisp, Python, Prolog, OPF, OSP, OPS, OPS5, OP5, OPS5 or something. I'll double check and go through. Leonardo AI, exactly. Nice, thank you. Leonardo, we have Midjourney, Midjourney, Leonardo. Okay, something like that. Gemini வந்து spatial thinking. இது வந்து everything like இது. Gemini, image based வரும். Okay, we have Brad, Brad Googled. அதுவும் ஜாதி. Okay, spatial thinking is basically in broad way. Okay, from all 360 degrees, image, sound, audio, everything combined together. Okay, something like that. So AI based languages sadana pula Lisp, Python, Prolog, and OPS5. OPS5. Okay, these are Brad, BRAD. Hold on, Brad. BRAD. Pascal எல்லாம் வராதுமா, bread வராது. Now gaming kila marukulati, but bread is also there, no? Recently, features of AI, they are deep learning, facial recognition, data integration, automation, chat, cloud build, clouds computing, and there's something called content computing. We'll come for that in a while. Okay, nice. Goals of AI helps to implement human intelligence, create expert systems. What are these expert systems? Provide solutions for complex queries. Okay, it allows you to provide solutions for complex inquiries. We call it as expert system. So expert system ये combine chaka blast bada blast okay blast right. Nice. Next one, AI different types okay, expert system, neural engine, robotics, fuzzy logics, natural language processing. Now, expert systems are like solving complex problems such as e-commerce site. Okay, it gives you preferences. Have you seen? Okay, preferences. Based on your preference, it will give you suggestions in there. Suggestions are given. Okay, these are what something called as, okay, e-commerce site. You don't have only e-commerce site. Google Maps comes under this expert systems. Okay, these are all AI-based systems. Then we have neural engine. These are a data integration of complex calculations like facial, fingerprint, and everything comes under neural. So biometric neural. Okay. Complex calculations and processing day-to-day processing we come across as expert systems. Okay, processing, right? And then we have robotics, Sophia. Okay, robotics, fuzzy logic skill again, all responses. These are quick responses done fuzzy logics. These are not the predefined responses. Chatbots, chat GPT. Chat GPT comes under fuzzy logics. These are quick response to queries. So it's able to provide in-time responses to queries in their fuzzy logics. Not only these are YouTube suggestions with Gandapulwa. YouTube suggestions with also comes under fuzzy logics. YouTube also has AI, yeah. Okay. Expert system Gandat Pulong, ChatGPT Gandat Pulong. Both you can take it. Everything is mixed up. Okay. Some feature like if ChatGPT image processing natural language processing core. Okay, so it's not specifically, it's combine of everything. Okay, natural language processing ke liye human language. Okay, human language processing tamai, natural language processing. We have another one, image based processing image based processing Okay, expert system as a good suggestion. Instagram feed based or else trending algorithm based searching. Now it's available algorithm based feed. Now it's sequential based Facebook okay, when someone upload a photo, it's sequential based, like who uploads first, and other people's data also will come. Okay, normally we had it in terms of sequential based. Nowadays, Instagram, TikTok, and everything, those are algorithm based. Algorithm based depending on the trending. Okay, within that 1 hour, get the post and everything gets so much of likes, reacts, watch time. So if the watch time of a specific video is high now, that means it's getting trending. People likes it so much. So little by little, okay, Instagram push your videos to other people like suggestions, So if it's something that you are also related now, Basically it's a algorithm based. So basically nowadays all websites, okay, not only promote product, that also keep track of the customers. Okay, they also keep track of customers, what customers likes, what's customer dislike, because all of them are AI like an intelligence which can process and mimic human reaction. It's like you go to a shop, okay, මොදලාලි මහත්තයා මහත්තයා මේ මට ඇවිල්ලා okay මට ඇවිල්ලා කැම එකක් කන්න පොට බඩගිනි කිව්වම the මුදලාලි මහත්තයා doesn't give the menu card. He will ask what type of food do you prefer. මට ඇච්ච ලොකුවට heavy එකක් එපා මට පොඩ light සාපාඩු නේද පොතු මම මේ noodles එකක් කොයන්ද so some kind of suggestion it's able to provide. Humans can do it. Humans can understand intelligence and go through India. Computer also does it, but the only thing computer cannot come across is emotions. Okay, emotions that computers cannot still tap in, but they can read emotions, but you can't react to emotions. Understood? Understand? अभी तो पास भी कर ले इवरा कर मौका में अरे अब Thursday okay yeah पास भी इवरा करो this Thursday I'll start paper classes for Kandy. Eduzone also the same thing. Kandy, yeah. So this is like discussion basis lesson. So when a program is with an AI, artificial intelligence, can answer the question and responds to it automatically. Okay. Without AI, now question must be asked as scripted and answered. These are predefined questions and answers. Other than without AI. Okay. Now some are there. Okay, there's chatbots are available. Okay, chatbots, chatbots are basically if you come across you have to ask only predefined answers. Okay, now if you take it on like customer care center, okay, one dialogue with the sadharan piliganno anka ek singhali irandai amukungal amukungala idond okay irandai amukungal Tamil molil plus 3 to talk in English. So you repeat, okay, தொலைபீர் அது அழுத்துங்கள் அமுக்குங்கள் அழுத்துங்கள் ஐயோ அமுக்குங்கள் அது வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். ஓகே அது மாதிரி we come across in there. Those are scripted no, so that's without AI. But with AI you can chat. Okay, hi machan, how are you, what are you doing bro, what's up killer. You can go through it. Nice. Now, when a software program is compiled with an AI, it acts as an agent. Okay, we can add multiple agents in there. So it's like this. Okay, for an example, if you have your software, okay, let's assume now if you are using software na make it available when a software AI is compile කරන්න පුළුවන් APIs ඉදිරිය ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, පොඩ්ඩක් අපි ගිහිල්ලා බලමු software එකේ මම ChatGPT, aka API. Now ChatGPT, you can get the API also. Introducing APIs for ChatGPT, application program interface. So what you can do it is, you can integrate ChatGPT in your software. That's what does in Apple. Apple came up with AI කියලා ගත්තනේ. Apple AI සොන්න. So what they did was they integrated it. So you all have to pay for some amount and you can go through India. So you can integrate, okay, ChatGPT, within request and Python blending and everything. You can integrate ChatGPT in your software. So if you integrate it in there, it becomes an AI. Okay, we have a lot of products are there for everyone, for enterprise, for education. But the pricing within ChatGPT 4, okay, ChatGPT 4.0, 4 point something in there. Select the model you want. ChatGPT latest. Sits in the width resolution size in the screen size batch API request in there, response to return 24 50% discount. Okay, maybe tokens, input tokens. So 1 million input tokens they are charging 5 rupees. Pricing it batch API 1 million for 2.5. Batch API together you can get it as a AI ke gudat tibba. AI will patta set kapoda kinola pen for everyone. Unge tino Brad tibba. Okay, Okay, we have can't remember the names and stuff. Image generation వేరే ఉంది ఇది. Okay, DALI के लिए करते हैं DALI. यहाँ तक कि DALI image generation they are using DALI. Okay, for accessing ChatGPT we have ChatGPT 4 is there. So this is what see. You can also make custom ChatGPT. தெரியுமா? Now I started buying ChatGPT. మనం purchase కల దీని ChatGPT గా. Yeah, మనం purchase కల దీన్ని. Make a villa. You can create a human and keep it. Like for an example. Even Canva comes with ChatGPT now. Okay, एक तो मैं API के लिए किया है. It's a software agent. Did you get it? Software agent is where when you integrate a special software to your integrate an AI to your software, it becomes agent in it. मेतना मेक तीनों superb option ने का what is it के लिए करता AI website builder PDF SQL expert दा ये trending इधर नहीं AI it's using these are Canva see ChatGPT is used in Canva. Okay, DALI one image generation. Okay, data analytics. These are all AIs, agents. ChatGPT will integrate agents to generate image. We have separately for writing. You have separately in there. Humanize AI. So all these things. Productivity diagrams. I think Visual Studio, Visual VI use Scholar ChatGPT okay, Excel AI education all these are software agents. So what are basically software agents it is an AI, okay, artificial intelligence which can react and stimulate like human softwares, and that act as an agent, and you can include that agent into your software, maybe like an API, simply as an API. API is an application program interface. In other words, maybe we take it like this way. Okay, Mithana, I have this charger. Simple example. My charger my software. Just assume this is the software. Okay. Now what happens is these cables get bended. Cables bend. Cable bend what happened was I integrated an agent. This agent, what does it is? Okay, you can roll up these cables and keep it like add-ons. Did you get it? Okay, my charger is an example of this software. My software का product था perform करने I integrated में cover. This cover works as an agent. This agent is only designed to do what? Okay, to hold this. Allah. What's it? This cover used to hold. Okay, then it looks like new. Okay, the cover is mainly designed to hold. Okay, okay, cover is basically used to hold the charger. For example, mobile phone simply. Mobile phone okay, I have not put a cover, but I have put a tempered. This tempered works as an agent. Okay, this tempered has a separate function. What is it? It protects your screen. Okay, it's an additional feature. That is what we call it as an agent. Simple as it is, like an AI. Okay, we can have to generate image, you can have generate responses, okay, education based, travel guidance, okay, travel guidance, programming, automatic code, suggestions, everything you can get it throughout in there. Writing, education, these are what AI. So did you get the concept of this agents? So you can basically get agents from ChatGPT. We can say it as coding agent. Coding search okay, we can say writing when I will automation okay, we have done it. Now soon after doing a Zoom class, okay, mama will AI ka use kala. That's an agent I'm using right now. I'll also show you. We call it as Z backup. What does this Z backup does it is? Okay, AI what is Japanese. Soon after I have finished this Zoom session, okay, now Zoom they only give 5 GB as a storage. Okay, like mini games in Facebook. Yeah, exactly. They give 5 GB in storage. So what I have done is this Z backup. Okay, it's an AI which will download the video from my Zoom and upload this video to where? Okay, it will upload this video to my Drive and YouTube. Okay, you can also set to upload it to multiple places, so you can automate works in there. It's a benefit of AI. See, soon after the video gets downloaded, it will upload to my Drive. Okay, and also to my YouTube. I have disabled YouTube, now I have enabled it. You can also upload to Vimeo, Dropbox, OneDrive, upload. So it's like, it's added advantage. It's an agent, software agent. Did you get the concept of agent? Okay. Booking.com make a website ticket, you will see a lot of agents. Now, Booking.com website gives you hotels, gives you flights, gives you rentals, attraction points, everything in one single website. You can search for flights. Okay. For an example, you wanted to go from Colombo to, we'll say, India. Okay. I wanted to go for India. Okay. We'll say Delhi and Dhoni. When I wanted to go it on this 31st October, maybe September 31st, 30th වගේ අංක. This is an AI. මේ තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන පෙන්නනවානේ. මේ color එකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ බලන්න. මේ තියෙන්නේ this color. This is also an multi-agent software. Okay, this is an agent software. It allows you to track and give you the dates which where prices are low. These green colors are what? Price low. See, prices are low. Adobe prices. Red color peak days prices are very expensive. So I'm search karama. It will search. There is an agent which will generate, and it will search for all the flights through every website. It will go to website, Fly Dubai website, get the details. It will go to Singapore website, get the detail. It will go to Emirates, it will get the details. Sri Lankan Airlines, eking details. India go eking details. Air details. He will give you packages. You don't need to search. It's basically what is the result is this AI will search in every website and get the result from Colombo to India on when? On 8th and returning on 7th of November. Okay, and he will give you all the results and he will give you the best. Sometimes he will also say, hey, you go on this day in this flight, it's much more cheaper. This is an act of agent. It's like an AI is integrated software and helps to get the work done simply as it is, Shafna. Okay. This is what happens in there. All booking companies are there. This is an agent. Agent, it will do simply an integrated AI. Make a multi-agent. Multi-agent booking.com is a multi-agent. It has a flight agent, hotel agents, car hire agent. So it's like a lot of softwares are integrated together. It's a multi-agent software. Did you get it? Simple name. Multi-agent software, single agent software, human agent softwares are there. Okay, so multi-agent may website you have a separate agent to handle flights. There is another agent to handle websites, another agent to handle something in there. Example like this. This is a multi-agent software. It's a multi-agent hub. I have this USB hub. Okay, I have this USB hub here, which I can use it for multiple purposes. I can use it for charging USB-C, HDMI, SD cards, Ethernet cables, USB ports, VGA, a multi-agent system. ChatGPT is a multi-agent system because ChatGPT has image generation, ChatGPT has automation, ChatGPT has predictions, everything is available. This is a multi-agent. Make multi-agent, make single agent. This is a single agent. This is a single agent system which you have the USB and a one port. You can't have multiple things. This is a multi-agent. Perfect example there. Multi-agent, it can have multiple ports and additional features. Make a feature. This is a single agent, multi-agent. Understood? All these are AI, intelligence. So we have human agent, robotist agent, software agent, multi-software agent. Software agent, agent computer program acts it can be hardware with most of software அப்பா நான் இந்த hardware example எடுத்தேன் நான் உங்களுக்கு காட்டுறதுக்கு இது மல்டி ஏஜென்ட் இது சிங்கிள் ஏஜென்ட் சொல்லி சாஃப்ட்வேர் தான் மோஸ்ட்லி ஓகே using other program or a relationship of an agency. Multi-agent software consists of agents and their environment, information, agent retrieve, filter, organize different sources such as website, database, and stuff. Zainab, so how does AI know from which website to get information from? AI is a learning computer. Okay, it each and every time when you give feeds in there, it learns. Okay, something like this. Okay, now how does AI knows? Okay, we'll take an example. How does Google Maps knows that? Okay, the duration from Kandy to Colombo is 3 hours. Okay, based on a sample data. So sample data then 2 hours he will take a sample data. When people uses Google Maps, okay, on repetitively basis in there, Google Maps updates the time. Okay, now other will like 2 hours in India. 3 hours. And in there, 2 hours. So he saw that okay, in the missed day, he's going on 2 hours in there. So some days Sorry guys, there was a power cut. Okay, back again. Where was I telling कि लगातार कथा करने के लिए? The multi-agent softwares, no? Done. Now, how softwares are used? You can use these softwares in your smartphone as assistants. Okay, even Siri embedded in your mobile phone is an example of an agent. Programs running in self-driving vehicles. Okay, program need to take rational decisions, not just any decision. A critical component of AI involved in it. Artificial intelligence AI bots, algorithms used in big corporate companies. Okay, even though how things are talking overlooking Facebook suddenly pops up on YouTube and Google. Advertisements is completely on software-based agents in there. Now, it's about agent agent has a basic component, not the model kattino. How this agent is now, this is the basic software agent. Okay? This software agent, if you come across, okay, reacts okay to the environment. Now, this software agent, okay, from the environment, that is us, gets the data using sensors. It is basically mostly hardware and software can be sensors, and it gives you output using these effectors. Okay, effectors are normally the output of these agents, and sensors are mostly the inputs comes in there. Inputs comes in forms of text, video, audio. Now, if you take ChatGPT, is basically data of internet. All the data in the internet is fed into ChatGPT as a conversation from Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, and everything is being fed into there. Over 65 million active users are there in okay ChatGPT, and they are giving so much of data in. The more and more data comes in there, the agent learns much more faster. Okay, these inputs and comes in it, how it will be, how is the word like now, what action do I need to take it, and that agent reacts to
Something
these.
went wrong.
Okay,
Please try again.
these agent reacts to this environment. Software agent basically වැඩ කරන විදිය. Okay, normally a software we have the inputs and you get the output. Software model එකේ ඇතුලේ you have complex calculations and everything. Now we have learned about arrays now. But in software agents, we have 5-dimensional array, 3-dimensional array, 3-dimensional 3D arrays. Normally, now we have learned on 2D arrays. Okay, 3D arrays, matrix fine. Okay, matrix type arrays, hop tree killer algorithm. So a lot of complex algorithms are used to provide solutions for this. Now, you will get a chance to draw a kind of an agent diagram activity. Okay, they will tell you how to draw an agent diagram. So you can show an agent, okay, using this kind of an oval shape. You can draw a user, and you can use the subsystem and sensors and this kind of an image. These are not these are kind of standard images to represent an agent diagram and show. In exam, they will give you draw an agent diagram. Okay, you have to go for it. We put the question. I'll also do it with you guys. Agent diagram question. I'll also teach you. Okay. Okay. So we have a question in this. Right. This is from page number 20. I'm pulling a question from page number 20. I'll do it with you guys. Page number 20 question. I'm going to pull it for you guys and do it with you. So now you will find it in page number 20. So agent diagram question anivarying every year comes in. How to do this question? Page number 20. Let's see. Multi-agent can be used to replace some of the work that requires human. So human karna you can replace using a software. That's an agent. It's a separate software. The following scenario explains about MyTours multi-agent system used to build customer travelized packages, including flight booking, hotel reservation, taxi booking, and local traveling. So they do provide in terms of hotel reservation, flight booking, booking taxi, and travel duration in that kind of a thing. The prospector, that's the user, can access MyTour website over the internet, and a chatbot agent. So there is an agent, they are using it. What is the agent they are using? Chatbot agent start interacting with the user. The user can use voice or text as input. So did you see inputs avilla voice or text? Right? input medium. During this interaction, chatbot process passes the extracted information to another agent called as search agent. Another person does the searching, who will take care from the chatbot agent and process the searched for travel packages for the user. The search agent has group of agents specialized in particular type of travel such as flight, search, hotel, etc. Okay, once the search result are obtained, the search agent prepares a list of travel packages with the detail displayed in the information in there. Draw a simplified agent diagram. So we have to draw a diagram where the agent are shown. For the above explained multi-agent system, name the important entities. We'll start with the user. I'll say the user. User interact with this website. User interact with the website. So we are going to draw multi-agent. Okay, user interacts with the website. If you wanted, you can write the website also. Page number 20, pa. 20 around, right? User interact with the AI. What is that AI we are using? AI agent. Sorry, agent. What is the agent? Chatbot. Okay. By what feed? Voice or text? Chat box send this extracted information to the search agent. What is the information they send? Extracted information. Okay. Then if you say it in there, search agent take over the chatbot agent and process the search travel packages for the user. The search agent has group of agents specializing for particular type of travel services such as flight search, hotel search. So search agent get information from other agents. You have flight agent. We do have taxi agent. We have hotel agent. These are agents which will look for data. So you will get search look. What is you will get it. Make it on a label. There is like DFT wage hard and fast rule mukut ne label reply result 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 result. You can say inquiry inquiry inquiry. What else? What happens then? Once the search result have obtained, the search agent prepares the list of travel packages, details, and display the user confirmation messages. Travel package. See, it's a multi-agent diagram. So it's a diagram that shows about the agents used. So they have inputs and outputs. These are softwares. Easy. Did you understand? Concept another. Taxi agent නෑ කියලා ගත්තට උඩ තියෙනවානේ taxi එකක් තියෙනවා. So I added the taxi also. Taxi තියෙනවානේ. So I got the taxi also. It's like DFD, but a very small scale DFD වගේ. මේක questions කරනකොට go through in it. Rectangle வராதுமா. அது வந்து agent வரும் ஒரு circle போடுவோம். ஒரு வெப்சைட் ஒரு சிஸ்டம் ஒன்றுல சென்சர் ஒன்று வந்தா தான் we will put this box. It is like standard symbols கிட்டன அந்த DFT க்கு තියෙන symbols subsystem வராது. But on a website දාන්න පුළුවන්, but that's optional. සමහර අය ඇවිල්ලා මෙහෙමත් draw කරනවා. For user you draw this way and you say user. ඒකත් හරියයි. මෙහෙමත් කියනවා. සමහර අය මේක මෙහෙම දාලා agent එක දානවා search engine. All those are correct. because there is no hard and fast rule. May symbol tama use karanne kiyala. But I did a small research from different papers and everything, and we come across, we'll go with the standard symbol. Which agent cannot be considered as autonomous? What is this autonomous in the sense? Autonomous in the sense an agent does not, okay, autonomous in the sense works automatically. Okay, requires no human interaction. Interaction එකක් නැති එකක් තමයි we called as autonomous. So which agent cannot be considered as autonomous? Which agent cannot be considered as an autonomous? Can you tell me what are the agents we have? Chatbot, search agent, flight, taxi, hotel. Automatically වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති agent එක. Autonomous chatbot. Autonomous කියලා කියන්නේ who doesn't need human interaction. Okay, who doesn't need it. Okay, chatbots need human interaction, so it cannot be considered as autonomous. He doesn't work on automatically. He works only when user gives input. Autonomous කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි. සහලා. Right disadvantage of using a multi-agent system, you can have privacy-related concern. Privacy-related concerns. Number one. Number two, we can have results. Results wouldn't be result cannot be 100% accurate. Okay, so results cannot be 100% accurate in there. Okay, agents can be programmed to provide specific replies. So evag issues thino. Okay, pricing and cost of implementation also available. Privacy than mostly security concern. Third party gain access to records. Sakala ternada, I chat box came as an self-autonomous. තව එකක් කරමුද? ඊට පස්සේ පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙන එක වෙනම. We'll do another question also. මේක තියලා self-autonomous works automatically. Yeah, it works all agents works automatically. Inputs are not taken from user. There is no human interaction. That's self-autonomous. Taxi one you don't need, cannot. Opposite, no? Yeah. Even self-autonomous then vehicle team self-driving vehicle level self-autonomous. They doesn't need human interaction. The washing machine automatic machine and semi-automatic. Okay, it works automatically. Automatic machine you don't need to give inputs. Input then don't input input autonomous. It's semi-autonomous or semi-automatic. Did you get the concept? AC the inverter skill AC inverter AC if you set the temperature for 24 temperature sensor you don't need to give inputs. Okay, Tom power or வேணாம்ப்பா. இதுல வச்சு எனக்கு மேய்க்கலாம். மேய்க்கிறதே எருமை. இதுல பெருமை வேற உனக்கு. சாமிரி நீ. ओके. අපි තව question එකක් කරමු. ம், 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 ம். Ah, this is from 2022 paper, page number 15. Page number 50. Try this question and see. Easy questions. Amaru necharata. Don't worry. අර Shazam කොහම වෙලා agent එක. Earlier one I think 2019. Not 2019. Earlier one was from 2020. Earlier one was from 2019. This is from 2022. Try this out. I'll give you around 5 minutes. अरे එච්චර අමාරු නෑ. Okay. මොක කෙල්ල ඊළඟ හිටි ඉපන්න. Shall I help you guys? Right. What is it? Balamu. A multi-agent is proposed for this greenhouse. Greenhouse where you have an artificial planting environment. That's greenhouse. In-house planting. In-house planting. In-house plantation. Right. Most of our girls are greenhouse situation. After their A level, they will be in a greenhouse, in-house. In this system, the image that are captured using a mobile phone. So it's a mobile phone is stored in the plant database. Okay. The multi-agent system works follow. The agent one handles the user interaction, user to access and triggers. Agent two. Agent to process image, identify the anomalies if any, and triggers search agent if needed. Hurry. Search agent relevant information, iterate, feed, and search results. to agent 2 who update database after processing and notify agent if any alert is raised. Okay, right. In this scenario, who is a self-autonomous agent? An agent who doesn't need any, who doesn't interact with the human. Human එකත් එක්ක interact වෙන්නේ නැති agent එක වෙලා agent 2 ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, search agent ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Completely autonomous. The interaction P involves saving the plant details in the database and retrieving those for agent 1. The interaction R involves reading the database and writing the search result to the database. Explain the interaction of Q and S. What does Q would be? What does Q would be? So it's basically, it's like you take a photo of a plant and a plant take details එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක තමයි agent system එක මෙතන වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. So it's like an app, you have it. So you take a photo and you see, okay, this is anthurium, this is rose, this is some kind of any plant in there. මේ plant එක මොනවද කියලා හොයනවා. So your database එකේ තිබ්බොත් he will retrieve and give it to you. එහෙම නැත්නම් what does Q would do? What does Q would do? ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක database එකට යවනවා, database එකේ තියෙනවා නම් you will get the details and give it to the user. එහෙම නැත්නම් okay, forward the image captured to whom? To agent 2. Search agent doesn't interact with the user, no? Search agent, does it interact with the user? According to this question, search agent doesn't interact with the user. Agent 2. That's different. That is different. This is different. What is S? Okay. Requesting search agent to provide more details about the plant or the plant captured. මේ වගේ එකක් කියන්න පුළුවන්. Say database එක නැත්තම් අහනවා යකෝ දීපන් කියලා request search agent to provide more details about the plant captured. ඉතින් මාරි ඉතින්ලා වරාද පයකට exam ඉතිකිට வேற level ஒரு question உண்டு. Okay, இதெல்லாம் பச்சை தண்ணி question, இதெல்லாம் பச்சை பாபா question. See, you see, it's easy. No, don't worry. Okay, in my exam, it won't come. So how many tudes are there for web development? 3. How many tudes are? Yeah, 3 tudes, no? 3 tudes. Okay, the owner has started an online shop to sell harvest. Okay, harvest from greenhouse to buyers who is nearby. State one advantage of limiting sales to community nearby. Disadvantage. What is the advantage of limiting the sales to only to the community? So it's different. Agent typing maker. So third one is there, no? After long time use of system, it was desired to remove the search agent, assuming that the database containing all information are needed. Write down the disadvantage of removal of this. So they thought, okay, after sometimes අපිට ඒක ඕනේ නැහැ කියලා. අපිට internet එකක් ඕනේ නැහැ to search in there. So what would be the disadvantage? For an example, okay, we started having a library. Okay, library ke internet facility was given to us. So whenever students wants to search something, okay, students can search in internet. Then the librarian decided, okay, we don't need internet anymore because we have all the books killer. They have said it. So what can be the disadvantage of it? Okay, basic, you know it. What is it? Okay, system shall be isolated from updated information. Newly species the year. Plant species also. Hold on. Plant species. Yeah, plant species. No. Biological. Newly. What is the word? Biological species. Yeah, can be taken as newly biological species and updates. Newly biological species would cannot be found. Wouldn't be wouldn't be found. Information wouldn't be found. Simple as it is. E part okay, first one. State one disadvantage of limiting into the community. So you are trying to sell only for your community people. What would be the disadvantage in it? What would be the disadvantage? You are limiting sales only to your community. What would be the advantage in there? Okay, reduce traveling cost, transportation cost, transportation. Now Shahla, okay, is selling her dresses, okay, and she's only limiting it to the Kolanava people. Okay, any other people வந்தா இல்ல அவர்க்கெல்லாம் எடுக்க நான் உட்றல உடு பிச்சு பிச்சு எடுத்துட்டு உடுப்பு எங்க சரி உடுத்துட்டு போனா. So அது மாதிரி Sahla is now limiting only for the Kolanava people. So what is the okay something like that? Okay, அதுக்கு what can be the solution? Okay, you can get more quick feedback from the community. So அவங்கள உடுத்துட்டு போகல விளங்குதே சஹ்லா உடுப்பே something like communityக்கு வந்து okay helps to get quick customer feedback. Okay, maintain authentication. What do you mean by authentication? அதுக்கு இதுக்கு எந்த சம்பந்தம் இல்லை சும்மா பொய்யெல்லாம் விடாது. Helps to obtain higher high profit margin. What else? வேற என்ன செய்யலும்? Okay, now think about Sahla. Come on, guys. Guys, think about Sahla. Boys, don't think about Sahla. It's a different thing. I'm thinking, okay, not Sahla. Sahla's business helps to transport perishable goods without damage at a very level. Hana, good one, nice. It helps to transport perishable goods without any damages. Nice one. Good answer. Okay. Supply and demand. Competitors எல்லாம் வந்து தெரியா basically supply and demand. Okay. Yeah, business studies answer than perishable goods and without damage. Okay, supply and demand. Market analysis. போதும் லிஸ்ட் ரொம்ப பெருசா போகுது. Okay, that's enough. Okay. State an alternative payment method that can be used in an online payment facility to set up. State an alternative method that can be used until an online payment. We can say cash on delivery. Sahla, do you do cash on delivery? Okay. Yes, okay. She can do it in the cash after delivery. Yes, they do it in there. Cash without delivery. So the cash without cash delivery. Do you do that service in there? Okay. அதெல்லாம் சார் அப்படி சேவைகள் எங்களுக்கு இல்ல சார். Okay, bank transfer. Sahla, do you do bank transfers? Yes. Okay. Do you do referrals? Referral? Like எனக்கு இவரை தெரியும். Okay, yeah. எங்களுக்கு வந்து எனக்கு மல்வாஹின்ல எனக்கு ஒருத்தர் தெரியும் அவரை சுத்தி கிரெடிட் கார்டு ஈஸி கேஷ் கிரிப்டோ பேமெண்ட்ஸ். யா Sahla, do you take crypto payments? Crypto சார் உள்ள பேமெண்ட்டே கிடைக்குது இல்ல. அதுக்கு கிரிப்டோ வேற உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். He cultivated tomatoes and sells salted dry tomatoes online as snacks. This is known as value addition. Gives high profit. Give another advantage of this value addition to his e-business. Okay. Okay, bank transfer online payment method. Okay, bank transfer வந்து online payment வந்து the payment gateways. This is refers to as the payment gateway. Yes, yes, yes. Development of ICT. These are refers to as payment gateways. Last week I showed it to you all, no? Payment gateways. Okay. So what is Sahla is doing is Sahla is now selling dresses killing and the dressler there are some parts which is not been like cut karla, some leftovers are there. What she's doing is she takes all those things and she makes some kind of a pocket or something. She makes some kind of a very kutty bag or something in there. Okay. It's like a kutty payment in it. Okay, what is it? Subtraction so in the பேர் ஒன்று போடுறா தெரியும் கூட. Okay, அந்த குட்டி பேக்கு என்ன சொல்றது எப்படி? அது யாருக்குமே போட கையை போடவே முடியாது அந்த பேக் என்ன இருக்குமோ தெரியா? Something in there, maybe a hat or something. Now she's okay, like trying to get profit from every leftovers or something in terms. So what is the another advantage? Okay, other mini bag exactly. Attract new market. Okay, more profits. More profits. Another one, rather than okay, profit maximization, rather than selling, throwing it to the environment. Okay, reduce environmental pollution. In the authentication உடே புள்ள இது அனுப்பி அனுப்பி providing various varieties of protein. Okay. She can also create local job creation. Local job creation. Okay. Creativity, enhance creativity. Okay. Support local community. Support local community. Originality. அடிப்படுவே பாரு தேவையில்லாத வேர்டெல்லாம் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். Okay, something like so Sahla in future she might sell a lot of things in there. It's like something like that. Okay, helps living standard. Yeah, can be taken. So இது மாதிரி easy. See, I told you. Okay, we're doing past papers. I mean, Arabal Alamin. But she doesn't get problems from others. அவவே தான் தலையில போட்டுக்கொள்ளும் பிரச்சனைகள். Correct na Sahla? Okay. பிரச்சனை எங்கேயும் இல்லை அவகிட்டே தான் இருக்குது பிரச்சனை. Shall we do another question in agent technology? तो question आती है Page number 22. Guys, I'm doing questions from here and there. Okay, questions. Okay, make a group. This is from A level 2019 paper. Guys, almost the syllabus is finished. I'm just doing past papers with you guys. Making past the lesson will come for the 2023 paper. Okay, done, 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 done. Shall we go for the next question? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, what is this? Multi-agent can be useful in complex system interaction and implement the following diagram is a simplified version of a multi-agent system and manages secure access to server doors in data centers. Okay. All authorization Engineers must use the access code with a 6-digit to enter the restricted server. When the access is granted to the server, the set of movable CCTV cameras start to record the server. Okay. The process data CCTV inputs are saved in the database. Interaction are shown in the identify the agent with no user interaction, self-autonomous. And the answer, what is a self-autonomous system? Which doesn't get any interaction from the user agent one. Not agent two. Okay, agent two. Server sense compute control. Sense input compute control. Okay, is widely three-step design used to design agent-based implementation. ABC interaction, separately identify and write down the most suitable interaction row to represent each. Sense avilla kokada. ABC ke sense kauda. A is sensing the input. A is sensing. A, B, C ingada idu. C. Compute is C, database check karna. Control is B, giving access to the door. Mocha question on this. What question on what question on this? Okay. Right. C and R interaction like shown in two direction. C and R. Where is it? C and R are both shown in there. Explain the reason for duplex link for both C and R links separately. C is controlled. B is controlling the DOMA to unlock the door. Inithan unlock பண்ணுவாங்க. Unlock door. இது accessing database. So what is this? C and R interaction are shown using two different directions, C and D. Explain the reason for the duplex link of both C and R interactions separately. Now, why do we use C and R? C used to, okay, used to, how can you say? Used to verify. C controller C1 the controller used to verify. Okay, I'll come for this. Make a check my one second. Used to verify and allow access. Okay, verify and provide access or grant access to users. It verify and provide access. Nice one. I had good answer. Okay. What is R? R is used as R capital capture and control CCTV feeds. Capture and control. You can also control the, you can basically control the CCTV and you can also capture the data. Capture data side, control side. So both arrows you will have to mention it. To trigger the CCTV, start recording entry when a person is updating on the server. Nice. Capture and control CCTV when a person has entered into the server. Hurry. Make it second one. Fourth one. Interaction of A can be seen as user to agent interaction. Identify an agent to agent interaction and explain the Or C stores data which has been recorded by R in the stores data which is recorded by R can be taken. C ஓட தானே போதுமா R ஓட இல்லை C தான் கேக்குறாங்க R ஓட வந்து Q தான் போகுது. Interaction A can be defined as user to agent interaction. Mark it as agent to agent interaction. So agent to agent interaction how the P happens, no? Agent to agent interaction is P happens in there. Agent to agent interaction is provide access to code database, verify that the access code within the database. Yeah, correct answer. Okay, I'm checking your answers also. You can take P as the answer, no? People one. Any others? Agent to agent. So link P. Explain the operation in there. Okay. And so on then. Trigger an action. Trigger to record. Trigger to start. Trigger to what can you say? Trigger signal to activate signal. Yeah. Trigger to activate CCTV and start recording. Or motion detection වගේ තමයි CCTV වල තියෙන්නේ. CCTV වල තියෙනවා motion detection stuff. Give one reason why CCTV input are sent to the database through agent 2 instead of sending it directly. Because it triggers only when the motion is detected, no? Okay, if you start recording in there, why if you take it on there, I have not connected. Okay, CCTV request required to record only when motion is detected or motion is detected or with the triggering input from agent 2. With the triggering input from agent 2 to reduce the workload of agent 1 in order to speed up the operation. Can we say like that? No, mostly agent 2 will say that you have to start recording. That's the main answer. You have to say it. Required record only when motion is detected. Direct away database. Okay, that's why it goes on. And also you can say to control the CCTV. Okay, agent 2 can also control CCTV inputs. That's also another reason. அப்படி இல்லை அது அந்த arrow security issues not a good answer. That means CCTV start recording only when individual enters. Yeah, that's the way, no? An agent 2 controls that. Then only the issues in going. Agent authentication. Yeah, the question in CCTV agent 2 not. Give one reason why CCTV inputs are sent to the database through agent 2. Inputs are sent to the database. It should be not inputs, it should be outputs, no? CCTV outputs are sent to database instead of directing. Agent 2 can also control it. Make it nice. Check this out. What are the changes or anything in there? Okay, who is it? Hana, you said something, Nama. Hana, you said something regarding the B and C Sunitane. What is it? Question B one it's a control. A, B, C. B one the control. We'll also check our answers also. मैं तीन आंसर्स पुट अगेन स्कीम में करना एक हाथ कंपेयर कर ला पाऊंगा which scheme are you checking it pa okay balamo agent 2 sorry sense A compute B sir tane control B control tan B yeah C database reads the data operation used to verify and provide access to users. Camera input feed and camera control feed. Capture and control, right, almost right. Agent 2, informing agent 2 to operate, trigger to activate, correct answer. CCTV raw data needs to be processed before storaging, processing, allowing, reducing, annotation, and other valid, okay. Almost, this is also nice, good answer, okay. Hannah, which scheme are you checking? Okay, first scheme about my tutor publication to get the official department scheming and அதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்கீம் சொல்லி பார்த்துட்டீங்க புள்ள அது வீசுங்க அதெல்லாம் சான்சஸ் பீல சொல்லுது hey this is also a good answer happy make it hitu this is also a good answer CCTV raw inputs need to be processed before storaging in database okay processing allowed to reducing that's also good answer the cow the economic ayada sonnaru I add, yeah, storing for a future preference is okay, but then, okay, reducing annotation, adding other functions and everything, allowing the time and date and everything can be done good. What is it? Another one, Zaid. So can you explain the sense control and sense compute and control part again? So, okay, sense compute and control. So now sense on the input is taken for agent 1. See the arrow. For agent 1, input is given A. Output is B. That's control. C is the compute. Okay. A, B, C. Then it's from agent database. Good one. Nice. So this is under the agent section too. Okay. Guys, get your authenticated confidential scheme till ganda. Maybe confidential kilati schemes tika some schemes will therapy but some other schemes will completely varadi. So when you're getting the past papers and everything, make sure you get confidential scheme kilati. Ek vitra karagana balanda because some typing mistakes and errors dala ek hatlati. Yeah, you can get it from Google itself. Downloads to tell ke website li make him confidential se leak him. Get those papers and check it. I think only our students we have never got a past paper, no? Okay, abhi past papers ganne mein hai because everything is available in the tute now. Everything is there. Past papers, I think we have not even got any past papers in there. Okay, because everything is classified and we gave it to you all. Right. Tava question है तीनों एक आंसर है आपकी syllabus के relevant. Agent technology almost three types of question. आपके exam में के पट्टा question है क्यों? अभी try पन्नो. Okay. And then finishing it off in there, agent software's characteristics and the intelligence software. Okay, agent software characteristics, mobile agent, proactive, they reacts before. Okay, goal-oriented, collaborative, communicative, adaptive cooperation. automated. You have nature-inspired computing also. Flights, ship, and cockroaches. You get inspired because of nature, how nature reacts to situations, and Evatila, they creates in what is it? The solutions for it. You have ubiquitous computing, that is computing available, accessible throughout anywhere. That is, you use physical environment to capture data. So the method of enhancing computing by making people devices available throughout even physical environment. Use of what is it? Use of sensors, use of Arduinos can be taken as ubiquitous computing. Mobile phone, smartphone, smart meter, lightning system, Wi-Fi. You use whatever the devices, and you gain it to electronic errors. You use it as terms of getting connected to a network, ubiquitous computing. Arduino is also an example in there. Kansai engineering, we also have learned this is using human emotions. So Kansai engineering is a Japanese technology to capture human emotions, okay, and process human emotions in there. How you get angry, how do you react, what is your messaging style, okay, how do you process data, everything will be captured using Kansai computing. Then we do have quantum computing. Now, normally we use microcircuits or else digital circuit, digital electronics. 1 minute. Okay, we use digital electronics especially to send and receive data. Electrons tama yavanni, passing electrons tama. We use electricity to uh, use computers. That is normally a CPU, central processing unit. So a CPU can pass electrons and share data and information, and that is what normal computing is all about. Electronic computers. Then we have another one called as quantum computing, where at one point we electron like a speed deka madi. Okay, you can't use this electron like a normal speed deka madi. So logic gates, digital circuits, madi hinda, they started using quantum physics. Use of one of the proton, neutrons, and components tama use karta mein, they started going through in there. So they don't pass through use of electricity, but much more faster in terms. These are quantum computers. So quantum computers using quantum physics, use of electron, protons, and neutrons wage use karla tamai. They used to pass data. So use of atomic, okay, atomic features use karla tamai, they will pass data in terms of it. Quantum physics. So okay, proton, neutrons use karla tamai, those basically the data and information will pass. This is quantum computing. Okay, in electron passing. This is electron. We pass electrons energy through a medium. That is normal computing. Passing of electronic waves. This is traditional computers. So quantum computing is a new approach to calculate and use of principles of fundamental physics to solve extreme complex problem and very quickly. So quantum computing is fast scale. For example, from today, if I start to use a computer for another 100 years, okay, and I'll be getting an output, you can calculate within a fraction of seconds in a quantum computer, because quantum computer has no speed limit. Okay, speed limit because it doesn't use electrons in there. Okay, it uses structure of atomic structure to send and receive data. Normally in electronic, you have 1 and 0, you only pass 1 and 0, but in quantum computers you send qubits. Okay, quantum bits use kalatama, you go through in the superpositional state, you send 0 1, or you can send 0 0 1 and 1 kila states hatarak yavanda pulong eka part, something like that. So unit basic is classical bit, quantum bits, binary 1 and 0. Here you can use 1 0 or both. You use logic gates, you use quantum gates, processing sequential execution, potential exponential speed up. So sequence by sama you process together, but in quantum computers, parallelly process kala data together. It's a very complex feature in computing is available. Even Google has content computing. That's the reason Google can provide all our results within fraction of seconds. Google used to say, no, your results are within this amount of seconds. You might have seen that Google result in 0.0000 seconds or something. අන්නේ වගේ message එකක් දැකලා තියෙනවද දන්නේ? අන්න ඒක තමයි content computers කියලා කියන්නේ. They process so much of results within that fraction of seconds in there. They used to say your data are being processed and given to you all in this amount of fraction. How can they do it? Not a normal computer can do it. It can do it using these super computers. නැත්නම් quantum computers use කරලා තමයි මේක කරන්න පුළුවන්. Because normally අපි electron pass කරනවට වඩා atoms pass කරලා තමයි data ටික යවන්නේ. It's not fatal to humans. Example of quantum computer used in mostly it's used in Google, it's used in space aviations. තමයි ගොඩක් use කරලා තියෙන quantum computers එකක්ද දෙකක්ද තියෙනවා. මේ ඔක්කොම vacuum කරලා seal type තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, so these are normally not normal day to day කට්ටිය use කරන්නේ. මේක මොනවද දන්නවද කරන්නේ? මේ එකක් හදලා around 100 to 200 companies can use this. එච්චරට powerful නෑ. So මේක ඇවිල්ලා Google gives quantum computer on demand, like software as service, infrastructure as service, platform as service, QAA quantum computing as service. Google will provide their services using quantum computers. You can use much more faster encryption in the පුළුවන්, decoding in the පුළුවන්, transactions in the පුළුවන්. Okay, cryptocurrencies, okay, ledgers and everything can comes in there. Is it necessary to know quantum computing in detail? Example MCQ questions අහලා තියෙනවා. Syllabus එකේ තියෙනවා. Might get it. Why don't you learn some? Okay, so here we come across under quantum computers. Here you send only 1 and zeros. 0 or 1. Here you send 0 or 1. Or you send both 0 0, 1 1, 1 0, 0 1. You send all the computations. You have n number of computations we can have it. Then finally, okay, coming to the different types of artificial intelligence: biological agents, robotic agent, computational agent, software agent. Software agent we have virus, entertainment agent, specific agents. Entertainment agent තමයි Netflix use කරන්නේ. Netflix use කරන්නේ මෙතන. Okay, simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, unity-based reflex agent, goal-oriented based reflex agent, specific task वलට use करना. Like for an example, booking.com. Booking.com. Okay, simple reflex chat bots can be taken. Goal-based search bots. Okay, model-based they replies on certain packages and everything. Specific model Unity-based onto a specific scheme. Okay, it's like little bit extra notes for you guys. Okay, artificial agent, software agent, environmental virus and everything come across in there. Model එකට ඕනනම් අපි robo ගන්න පුළුවන්. Robot can be taken. Anything else? Any questions you all have it? Biological කියලා කියන්නේ these are biometric scanners, unity-based self-driving vehicles. Okay, nice. So with that, we comes to the end of the chapter also. අපි ඉවර කරන්ට ඉස්සර අපි ඉවර කරන්න ඉස්සර will also go for the A level 2023 paper එකත් කරොත් ලස්සනට ඉවර කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. 2023 මේක මම හිතන්නේ කොළඹ වල කරා team comrade එක කරා, but other centers I didn't do it. I'll come and do it in physical class. අපි will do this question. Page number, will you put this in YouTube? I'll put it in YouTube. Anyone can watch now. සමහර classes වල තාම කරලත් නැහැ. schools වලත් කරලා නැතුව ඇති. මේ chapters කරලත් නැතුව ඇති. I don't know what they are going to do it. Okay. See, full questions අහනවා 2023 paper. Shall we try this paper also? 2023 paper. We have it. Page number 12. Complicated, so now it comes with practice. You practice more than fine. You more practice in the okay shape. B part will end our classroom today. Guys, when you see this question, look what Amaru, it's kind of hard, but very simple answers, eh? We discuss. Zaid, you can leave if you wanted, no problem. No one is holding you, pa. Check the recording later. Nice. Good. And e-commerce warehouse automation system includes set of agent-based. It's an e-commerce system warehouse. It's like a store. Okay. So automation includes set of agent-based robots. So it's like a hardware robots. Hardware robots. Which ordered goods to their respective dispatch area. Okay, to the relevant shipment. So it's like a make உங்களாண்ட ஒரு ஐடி ஒன்று எடுக்கிறதுக்கு Amazon order sorting center. இது மாதிரி ஒரு ஐடியா உண்டு, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா உண்டு, like all computers companies are used the use of robots. Robots මෙන්න මේ විදිහට පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නකොලන්න පෙන්නන්න. So sort කරන්න ඔක්කොම robots use කරනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ sorting Maybe like this. So to get an overall idea, නැත්තම් ඔයාලට පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරු ඉන්නේ. So මේ වගේ තමයි idea එක. So like sort කරන්න කරනවා තේ කරා basic concept එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ these are the robots going here and there. Okay. Figure 7.3 shows the latter part of the system. A quality control officer inspect the goods and for each order as it passes on a conveyor belt. Hari. And confirms the software system delivery agent that the order has passed QC, quality control. Okay, so he does something quality control and do say that but the delivery agent handle the agent directly package to the mobile robot is loading area. So here he gives the inputs. So me බඩු ටික අරගෙන මෙහෙම ඇවිල්ලා dispatch area එකට එනවා. මෙතනින් ඇවිල්ලා agent එක dispatch කරගෙන යනවා. Okay, so here තමයි sorting center එක වෙන්නේ. මෙතන sorting part is happening. Sorting section happens here. Okay, මෙතන තමයි QC quality control එක වෙන්නේ. This is the dispatch part. So you can dispatch and bay area එකෙන් අරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. The robot agent reads the package barcode to determine the appropriate dispatch area. They navigate the robot to the relevant dispatch area, scanning the path and avoiding obstacle while they move. So எடுத்து wing எடுத்துட்டு they moves like, see, now you can get an idea, no? இது மாதிரி தான் idea உண்டு basic. Right. The dispatcher handler agent, another software validate each package at the dispatch area and inform the dispatch officer to confirm its decision. The dispatch officer can override the dispatch handler decision if needed and direct the confirmed package to the postal division. So in Ethan, confirmation happens. So it two places even now. Right. Software agents demonstrate certain characteristics which can make their behavioral unique. Briefly explain two characteristics of a software agent: autonomous and cooperative. So these are what characteristics. Now what are the other characteristics? Proactive. Okay, we learned about proactive කියලා character එකක් ඉගෙන ගත්තා. වෙන මොනවද ඉගෙන ගත්තේ මෙතන? Proactive is you reactive proactive, you act before. Okay, then we also learn autonomous. Okay, simple sensors inputs, goal oriented. Okay, authentication, independent, autonomous. Okay, centralized network. Okay, anyway, you can have it in there. Collaborative. Okay, එතකොට ඒකේ මේ autonomous and cooperative එකට පොඩි definition එකක් දෙන්න කියලා කියනවා. Pulling the authentication word උඩාද pulling එකේ. Okay, so ඒකේ plus one. Autonomous කියලා කියන්නේ you are able to capture data automatically. Okay, can take decision by themselves without being controlled by external inputs. That is autonomous, automatically. Yeah, no human interaction can be taken as. If you take it on cooperative, it cooperates. Agents can cooperate with other agents by sending data feeds. Communication, another word is communication. B, name a self agent and a user agent in the given example. Self agent works automatically. The other agents you do have, delivery handle agent is there, multi agent is there, dispatcher agent is there. Self autonomous ඇවිල්ලා කවුද? Self-autonomous is multi-agent. Multi-agent robots. User agent is, you can say, dispatch handler agent, or you can say delivery handler agent. Yes. Okay. Robo agent. Yeah, correct. Sure. See, if the set of multi-agent robot behaves satisfying only the autonomous characteristics but fails to cooperate, write one of the most likely observation that will be seen during this operation. Now, what is it? Autonomous it works automatically, but there is no but fails to cooperate. The hammer robots, okay, automatically they work, but if they fails to cooperate, now what is it? Right, one likely observation you can see. What you can say it in there, okay? An observation you might observe among multi-agent robots to complete their task individually without complete their task goal oriented. If they fail to cooperate, there might be collusions and okay. Put in the software got crashed. What I was doing, Farade, that's not type kara. You might observe among multi-agent to complete their task goal oriented, but if they fail to cooperate, okay, what you can say, robots might get congested and might get congested in loading bay, in loading area, and in loading area, it's like a competition as you have to say it. Okay, loading area, congested, and might cause pollution in loading area. Okay, so again, read question answer we should not get deviated. If the set of multi-agent robo behaves to satisfy autonomous characteristics. So what is autonomous characteristics? You might observe among multi-agent robots to complete their task. Okay, goal-oriented. But failing to cooperate. But if they fail to cooperate, robots might get congested and might cause collusion in loading area. Yeah, can be going for this answer. Even delivery handling agent is a user agent, no? Yeah, correct. You can use the word corrupted. Corrupted edukku? Okay. D. What does D says? If this system is redesigned by replacing a multi-agent behavioral with a centralized control and broker agent for communication. Now this for cooperation work. Congested corrupted vana. Identify one main chain that you will see with the respect of each. What is this? If the system is redesigned by replacing a multi-agent behavioral with a centralized control, meaning, what is it they say it is, for all these robots, you have an agent that is, we call it as the, what is it? centralized control broker agent. That is broker agent. It is basically controlling all these robots. Robo coordinate karanda. It's a coordinator. Coordinator. May robots coordinate karanda. They are introducing a broker agent. That's what it has happened here. Okay. Identify one change that you'll see with the respect of each of the following. Okay, let's see what is that following or change you might also come across. D part. Okay, let's see. Control the robo mobility. Mobility के लिए क्या है mobility is able to move. That's mobility. Okay, able to move. Each robo will only be able to move based on the instruction from centralized control agent, central control broker agent, or centralized server from. So mobility in the sense able to move so what you can see in terms is robo can't move as they wanted. So what they did was they combine all these robots to the broker agent and they coordinate. So what happened for the mobility of the robo can mobility के लिए क्या है robo able to move mobility robots mobility के लिए able to move. So what do you feel? What do you see in the mobility of this robo के लगा तो each robo will be able to move based on the instruction from the centralized server given by the broker agent. Decision on making process relevant to moving packages from loading area to dispatch area. Okay, so you can say that is number 2, no? Number 1. So what about the they're asking what about the decision of making a process? Central server would receive data, process them, and instruct robot to pick up packages and move to areas with respect to their dispatch orders. So how does the processing would happen? Decision making, how do you see it? Centralized server would receive data, you can say from whom? From the dispatch handler officer. Process them and instruct robot to pick up packages and move to areas with the respect to their dispatch orders. So this is how the processing would happen. Basically, robot pick karla, he will only put it in the dispatch area. Now, we add a broker agent. So broker agent does the communication part. Okay, coordination part is happening. So the centralized server only gives codes. So how do you will see the robo will move? The robo will move based on the instruction provided by the server. That's number 1. Number 2, how does the decision making happen? Now the robo won't take decision. The decisions will be fed, okay, to the robo by the centralized server. So central server would feed instruction to the robo. Okay, this feeding of instruction is happening by the broker agent. Broker agent would feed instruction. I hope it's not hard, Nimi, but put a complex and interesting question. Put a complex and draw a box and arrow diagram for the new solution centralized control mentioned in 4th above. Note box and arrow uses the box to show the system components and arrow to show the connection. So what are the components you have? You have the central server is there. We have the broker agent. agent is there. Okay, and the robots. Robots are there. Okay, now these robots box remove. Okay, broker agents updates the server depending on the situation. Okay, and the robots also gets the data from the central server at Gandapuluan. Okay, you can get the data from the central server or from the broker agent of Gandapuluan. So according to this question, from whom they're getting, if the system is redesigned by replacing the multi-agent behavior with a centralized control and a broker agent for communication. So who does the communication part? The broker agent does the communication. So robots get the information from the broker agent. So it's like the communicator. Server එක update වෙනවා. So මේ server එක කවුද update කරන්නේ? If you want ඒකත් update කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ server එක update කරන්නේ the quality control and the dispatch officer. Quality control මෙතන එනවා මේක ඕන්න මේක update කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Quality control and dispatch officer. Extended diagram එකක් ඕන යන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ server එක update වුණා broker agent will do the communication part. Or you can say admin කියලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. So that is the broker agent. So what happens in here is for the communication part, they are replacing a broker agent in it. Okay, for the communication part, they are replacing a broker. So I'll sum up, make a tone, it's an optional part. So what happens in here? We have these robots which will take automatically, they are autonomous and cooperative. So they take these these parcels, packages, and put it to the bay. Dispatch area. Okay, they works on goal oriented. So they wanted to finish the goal. Eka balanne tawa ekkenek cooperate වෙනවද නැද්ද කියලා. If the cooperation is not there, eka ගිහලා ඌ goal එක විතර දානවා. If the dispatch area gets filled, what will happen is okay, because they are set to the goal no dispatch area තමයි දාන්න ඕනේ. So eka fill වුණාම okay, cooperation එකක් නැති වෙනවා. They get collusion වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, might go and not put it data. So the some robots will be waiting till feeds come. So my common solution what they did was they want to control all these robots by a broker agent. If the system is designed by replacing a multi-agent behavior with a centralized input and a broker agent for communication. So they are introducing a server and a broker agent. So the admin can input feed to the server will give the data to the broker agent will do the communication with the robots. Okay, my robot take a communicate karla, they will say, okay, you go to this side, you go to this bay, this you go for this bay, and that and this killer. But the broker agent will give information to all these robots. So what you can see when you do this change, robots will not move as they wanted. They will move based on the instruction provided by the broker agent. Okay, what about the decision making? Robots cannot make decision making. The server will give feeds to the broker agent, and broker agent will instruct what to do. Server would receive data and process them and instruct the robots to pick up packages, move to areas with respect to the dispatch codes. So who gives this feed? The broker agent gives the feed. Make a overall simple point at the questions in not complex name. Understand karla. Okay, කරගෙන යන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Anna got the broker agent part. Broker agent, so it's like a communication agent who will communicate with the robot to avoid this conjunction and congestion and everything. Nice. Why don't you design a robot? கொஞ்சம் சரி ஜெனரல் நாலேஜ் இருந்தா தான் இந்த क्वेश्चन செய்யலும் இல்லாட்டி சாக்கா பிளாஸ்ட் வேணும் we will practice don't worry, this time also we'll got a nice question from there. only this much to learn. Okay. So with that, we comes to the end of our classroom, and also for the people out there, okay, for getting on towards the last, okay, 900 days of classes most of the time. I have set for the following exam date pinakang. So 2024 by JK, physical classes for the theory all comes towards the end. Okay, it was a nice time in there. Okay, theory lessons and everything, lot of classes, lot of jokes, funs and sessions of Kumadala. Online class එකට තාම අපි මේක කරනවා ඉස්සරහට. I will also share the recordings for them in there. So, and 24 by JK also, it comes towards the end of the theory. Okay, we just started the class around in June, I think, and then ending up. Started with Riyas Rushard and finally end up in Team Maestro. Okay, and a lot of changes. I'll talk to you in physical classes in there. May Allah bless you. Take care. I will also upload this recording in Zoom. So Zoom එකේ අපි groups වලත් දානවා. Not only in groups, I'll be also uploading in our YouTube channel. Make sure you go and check it out. Okay, api LMS එකේ we are also having all the recording specs are available. We have uploaded almost all the lesson එකේ recordings are there. Web development also gets updated in there. Okay, so make sure you go and check it out. ඔක්කොම බලලා ඉවර කරගන්න. Okay, and if you wish to go through, make එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ package is really worth it. Kuppy revision කියලා. This has everything that you wanted. Okay, almost I have SQL is there, OS is available, Python short notes තියෙනවා, networking තියෙනවා, web development තියෙනවා. I'll also add agent technologies to this also. And that comes to the end. Physical class students in Team Comrade, we don't have class tomorrow. Take a break. Okay, see you in next class then. May Allah bless you. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye to all of you.
என்ன உண்மையிலேயே ஆர்மி தான்டா கிரேட். தூரம் தூரம்